Welcome to my channel, everyone. In today's video I'm going to be using avocado, and I'm also going to be using brown sugar. Okay, brown sugar can be used as an exfoliator. Using brown sugar as an exfoliator rather than normal white sugar, brown sugar granulated particles exfoliates your skin, clearing away dry and dead cells. It helps create a smoother skin and lends youthful glow. Brown sugar also has antibacterial property and glycolic acid that keeps your skin radiant and healthy. It also moisturizes your skin and conditions it and protects your skin from harmful toxins. You can also mix brown sugar along with olive oil, which is right here. I'm going to be using olive oil. We all know that it moisturizes your skin. It is used for many beauty regimens and all types of beauty. I haven't used it, I'm using it tonight. Okay, I'm using it today, but I'm using it today. Okay, and one of the most important things in this new regimen I'm making that I will be using is my avocado. Avocado is rich in potassium, it's rich in vitamin B, it's rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which help reduce skin inflammation and can help repair the skin barriers. The natural oil in avocado can penetrate deep into the skin, helping it to soften and hydrate dry and flaky patches. Okay, so these are the only 3 remedies I'm going to be using in this remedy for today. Okay, so what I will do is to combine everything together. I don't think I'm going to be using honey this time. Oh yeah, I will use honey. We all know that honey has a property in it that helps maintain skin elasticity, and it also make your skin glowing. It has a property in it that protects skin as well. So I'm going to be using some of the honey tonight. Soft honey. Okay, so in combining everything together, so the first thing I actually want in my ready-made is my avocado. So I'm going to scrape off. This avocado is very ripe. It's very ripe and soft. So I'm going to put it, this is like a quarter of my avocado, a quarter size. It has a oil in it that will penetrate your skin according to my research, and it will moisturize your skin, leaving dry skin moisturized. And you can also eat it. You can use it to eat rice. It's very healthy also. So I have a quarter size of my avocado right here. I just put a little bit in my mouth. So I'm matching it. Let me use my fork to mash it. So let me match it with my fork. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to mix my sugar with it, and this is my brown sugar. So I'm putting a half teaspoon of sugar in the mixture. Actually, I'm going to use a whole tablespoon, because one is not enough. You know what? I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of sugar. Okay? Because I really want to be able to fill it. And then I will be using, I have another honey right here that is almost finished. So I'm going to use that honey bottle instead. Actually, let me go ahead and put my oil first. The olive oil goes in first. I'm using 1 teaspoon. I'll put the second one. I'll put a whole tablespoon. So that's 1 tablespoon right there that I just put in. So I put this away. Now I can use my honey. So I'm going to use this honey. I need it to be full. Okay, this is full. This is 1 right there. I'm going to put 1 more teaspoon of my honey. Like I said, this is almost gone. This bottle is almost gone, so I'm going to use it. I still have quite a lot there. Okay, so now I use that. So in order to get a normal consistency, I'm going to, it's possible that I may use more of my sugar. I think I got a perfect consistency here, but I feel like I need more of my sugar. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more of my sugar, the brown sugar, because I want to be able to feel it when I'm actually rubbing this on my face. So I'm going to put another tablespoon of my sugar, the brown sugar, in it. So let me get my measurement spoon out. Yeah, I'm going to put a little bit more, not a little. I'm going to put a whole, this is brown sugar. So I'm going to put another tablespoon. I want to make sure that, okay, so I'm putting 1 more tablespoon of sugar. So just covering it back up. Okay, so it feels much better now. So I have the right consistency now. Okay, and then you make sure that you mix everything together well, really, really well. You really want to be able to feel both oil on your skin along with the sugar, the brown sugar, that will clear off all the, and the honey too, that will clear off all the unnecessary barriers covering your pores. And this is looking so beautiful, and it has a very, very, very super consistency. Okay, so I'm going to use my brush. Before I put in my brush, I want to make sure that I save some of it. I'm going to save a whole container, small container. Oops, here's my container running off. So I'm going to put some in my container. This is my blue covered container. So let me go ahead and scoop a whole tablespoon, sorry. And these are all edible products. So you can also rub it on your lips also. It's very, very good. So please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and make sure that you share with others. Thank you. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of this on my hand for you guys to see how it's gonna work. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on. You can leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. It's totally up to you. So in my case, I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes and allow it to penetrate into my skin, because you really want the oil to penetrate into your skin while the honey and the yeah, we have 2 oil, and also the oil from the avocado, you know, penetrate into your skin. I have on my glasses, so I'm about to actually put this on my face right now. So I need my finger to be able to make it work. Okay, so I'm using my finger to rub it onto my face. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and also share with others. Thank you. And also press on the notification bell so that every videos that we upload will come to your attention. Thank you.